The National Service Skill Contest began in 2002, recognizing individual technical talent. In 2007, service advisors and floor supervisors joined, expanding its scope. By 2011, service and path managers elevated the competition. 2015 introduced team evaluations, fostering collaboration. In 2016, customer relationship managers enhanced service focus. 2021 welcomed the high-rise expert category for managers. In 2022, Big Wing Service Manager joined the challenge. And in 2023, the Big Wing Technician category set new benchmarks. In December 2024, the Red Wing and Big Wing Best Performing Technicians participated at the prestigious Asia and Oceania Technical Skill Contest in the Philippines, accessing global exposure and proving that true skill knows no limits. Let's talk about this year's skill contest. Judged over 3 rounds: prelims, zonal, and national. Candidates face rigorous theoretical and practical challenges, ensuring only the best advance. This year's journey begins with 26,336 team participants and 2,668 managerial contenders. At prelims rounds, technicians, floor supervisors, service advisors, and big wing technicians are tested on theoretical knowledge, while managerial candidates tackle KPIs and strategy. From the prelims stage, the top performing technician, floor supervisor, service advisor from each dealership qualified as the best dealer team, including secondary networks, to compete at the zonal level. At the zonal level, 140 dealer teams and 168 managers demonstrate their expertise, with dealer teams showcasing their theoretical and practical skills at the zonal training center, while managers exhibit real-time decision-making virtually. The best performers advance to the ultimate challenge, the national level. 15 elite teams of technicians, floor supervisors, and service advisors. 15 top-performing service managers, CR managers, and parts managers. Each have rewrite the history today. Today, the top 3 in each category will be honored for their outstanding performance after conquering the toughest stage of the contest. In the Big Wing category, competition is fiercer than ever. Since its launch last year, it has set new benchmarks. This year, 294 technicians and 101 service managers entered. 20 technicians reached the zonal level, with the top 10 technicians and 12 service managers making it to nationals. Today we honor the top 3. This is more than a contest, it's a symbol of dedication and excellence. To all participants, your journey doesn't end here. It begins anew. National Skill Contest 2025. Powering excellence, defining the future. National Service Skill Contest 2025. Powering excellence, defining the future.